Howdy fellers, I'm sick as hell, but I'm still going to record this tutorial video because I promised it and I still haven't done it, but this is how to do the self-sacrifice. This is a trick I made up by myself. So, how you do this trick is you first start off with a knuckle duster. So you open the knife, toss it around your hand, throw it up, and you're going to want to catch it like that. And then the knuckle duster, you usually close it or you can open it. You know what you're going to want to do. You want to throw it down, throw it back up in the air. Turn your hand, catch the safe handle, and swing it closed. And then you want to do a Zen rollover. You throw it around your thumb, you catch the bite handle, you want to let it drop kind of easily so you don't cut your finger. You want to throw it back up, and that is how you do the self-sacrifice. Probably can't do it here, but I can try. And that's why I can't do it here. It's sick, so let me some slack. Yeah, I have some videos of me doing it pretty successfully, so I'll just slap them on there. It's kind of harder to do it with the curved handle one. I can barely do it at all with the curved handle one. It's just heavier and it's harder to grip down there because you're going to want to open it and then toss it over and toss that over. Toss that. That's a very sloppy, chopped up version of how you do this trick. Yeah, that's how you do it. I'm going to slap some videos on there. I'm going to throw it in slow-mo. You have to break down first. That's how you do it. Break it down again. You open it. Grip it, 2 fingers here. This one's called a knuckle duster. You toss it down, throw it up. My dogs are fighting. Catch this bite handle, toss it back, throw it up again. Throw it up again. You're going to want to catch the safe handle, let it close. And from there you do a Zen rollover. Throw it around, let go of it completely. Catch the bite handle, let it drop, throw it back up. And that is how you do the self-sacrifice. Oh.